When training for gymnastics and calisthenics skills, both weighted and bodyweight exercises can and should exist in the same program. Weights allow for more objectivity with loading and consistency with the reps, while bodyweight remains specific to the skills we're trying to obtain and will factor in the balance and coordination needed. Now, there's a gray area between the two where we can take traditional compound weighted strength exercises and modify them to make them more skill specific, just as we can remove the complexity from bodyweight exercises so they can be used for more general capacity building with less skill demand. For instance, here I'm using a reverse grip incline bench press focusing on scapular protraction and posterior pelvic tilt to build relevant hypertrophy and strength for the planche. And here I'm using a single ring weighted chin up, which is a little bit more specific to the line of pull in a one arm chin up than a traditional weighted chin up. And seal rows with protracted scapulas trying to drive the elbow toward the hip to mimic a front lever row. And these work great for accessories after the main skill work. But lastly, we can use specific isolation exercises to target weak points of a skill, such as box spider curls where the load is hardest at 90 degrees of elbow flexion, which happens to be my main sticking point for the one-arm chin-up, or Zanetti presses to condition the distal bicep, which tends to fatigue quickly in my straddle planching. With high-level skill goals, both the general quality of strength that can be applied to technique and specificity is important, but I hope this provides some insight into how both weights and body weight can contribute to the specificity in training.